Good morning, everyone. I'm Al here at Public Conversations with Al, and we are so delighted to have you here to share stories and anything entertainment about music, movies, celebrities, and anything. So, we are delighted to wish you a great day ahead and suggesting that in case you have any particular story that you feel we should talk about, please let us know in the comment section. And also, thank you so very much for the support that has endeavored us to be always here to see that we do our part that we endeavored to. Thank you so very much for that, and did have a good day ahead.